It's official, cancellation rates are on the rise. This is Jason Munoz from the Munoz Home Group here in Western Washington. Did you know that currently in a lot of markets, around 30% of transactions that actually go to escrow end up canceling? Since listings with canceled deals often end up selling for less money, what can you do to help prevent your buyers from flaking out? Now, as an expert, I've dealt with uncertain buyers before. That's why today I'm sharing why buyers are leaving deals in this market and explaining what you can do to avoid those cancellations. Reason number one why buyers leave deals: buyer's remorse. The market is slower than it used to be, but it does not mean that buyers aren't pressured to make decisions quickly. Due to competition, economic news, the election, and a ton of other issues, a lot of buyers want to finalize a deal ASAP. Unfortunately, as a result, a lot of them jump into deals before they're ready. To prevent this, get your agents to vet potential buyers as well as the agents representing them. If they're pre-approved and have a strong motivation for moving, they'll be much more likely to follow through on the purchase and closing of your home. Reason number two that buyers back out: inspection issues. The number one reason why housing transactions fall apart are issues on inspection. A buyer may actually fall in love with your home and have every intention of following through, only to have issues come up on the inspection, and then that results in cold feet. As I've said before, this is especially an issue in our current market because buyers do not have a ton of cash for repairs. This is especially an issue in our current market because buyers don't have a ton of cash for repairs due to higher interest rates and elevated prices. To help prevent inspection issues from ruining a perfect deal, one good option that I might recommend is a pre-inspection before listing your home. This way you can take care of potential problems up front and go into negotiations with a lot more leverage. Reason number three why buyers do back out: drawn out negotiations. The longer you spend negotiating, the more chances you give your buyer to walk. In my experience, most drawn out negotiations are from appraisals coming in lower than expected or drawn out feasibility periods. The appraisal issue can actually change your buyer's financial situation with their lender. To prevent these issues, work with your agent to find the perfect price that'll net you the most money and avoid appraisal issues. That way, if the appraisal comes in lower than expected, your agent will be able to argue the price with the appraiser based on the research they did to find the price for your home. Whether you're planning on selling soon or years down the road, it pays to plan ahead. Call or email me anytime for a free, no obligation pre-sale consultation. I'll go over your neighborhood, the market, comparable properties, staging, and more. Once again, my name is Jason Munoz from the Munoz Home Group here in Western Washington. I look forward to hearing from you, and I'll see you on the next video.